JP Ramos, first platoon leader. AJS Reposado, second platoon leader. Mini C. Espirito, student. Rogelio P. Culina, CPP Mapping Facilitator. Mark Jones R. Delmiguez, assistant CPP Mapping Facilitator. Christian Ibana and Mario A. Gino, major coordinator Anthony R. Patero. Mikael Estado, Michael A. Bala Jana Gary Ubaldo, assistant major coordinator. DPCC Assistant Coordinator Eddie Potentano Jr. Alexa Valiente, Hazel Lango, Danny Penetrante, assistant DPCC Coordinator. Entry number 27, Bula National High School, Bula Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 27, Bula National High School, Sagrada Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 28, Severino Arroyo High School, San Agustin, Iriga City. Troop and Staff, Mariel S. Ampuan, Troop Commander. Zen Aaron Nullet, Troop Executive Officer. Justin A. Spananya, Troop S1. Christine Joy Sandoval, Troop S2.